Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, is making headlines as its stock climbs toward a 52-week peak following first quarter 2026 results that beat expectations. The company reported earnings per share of $1.37, surpassing the $1.29 forecast, and revenue of $10.25 billion, up 37.8% year-over-year. This performance has triggered a surge in AMD stock, with shares rising over fourfold from their annual low of $107.67 to a current price of $449.70 as of Friday's opening. The strongest growth came from AMD's data center segment, which saw a 57% increase in sales to $5.8 billion. This was driven by high demand for MI-series AI accelerators and EPYC processors. As hyperscale cloud providers ramp up AI infrastructure investments, AMD is reaping the rewards of its strategic focus on high-performance computing. Analysts from Bank of America, Mizuho, and D.A. Davidson have all raised their price targets, signaling growing confidence in AMD's trajectory. Bank of America now sees a $500 price target for AMD stock, up from previous levels. Mizuho raised its target to $515, and D.A. Davidson. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Set a new goal at $425. Even Citi, which maintains a neutral stance, increased its price objective from $248 to $358. Despite these higher targets, AMD stock is still trading at a 20% premium to Citi's revised estimate, suggesting there may be room for further appreciation or a correction depending on market sentiment. Looking ahead, AMD projected second quarter revenue of around $11.2 billion and expects server CPU sales to grow by more than 70% year-over-year. This forecast reflects continued strong demand in the data center market and could fuel further momentum for AMD stock. The company's focus on AI and server processors is paying off, with hyperscale cloud providers leading the charge in adoption. Not all segments are performing equally well, however. The gaming and client segments, which make up a smaller portion of AMD's operations, have shown less growth. As the company pivots toward data center and AI opportunities, these segments are expected to play a less prominent role in future performance. Investors are watching closely as AMD stock approaches its 52-week high of $469.21. The question now is whether the stock can maintain its upward trajectory or if it may face resistance as it nears these levels. Analysts have raised their price targets, but market conditions and broader economic factors could influence the outcome. AMD's strong Q1 results are a clear indicator of the company's ability to deliver on expectations in a rapidly evolving market. The AI and data center segments are proving to be a powerful growth engine, and with continued investment and product innovation, AMD is. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Well-positioned to sustain this momentum. The next key signal to watch is AMD's second quarter performance. If the company can meet or exceed its revenue forecast of $11.2 billion and continue to see strong demand for its AI accelerators and server CPUs, the stock could continue to climb. Conversely, any signs of slowing growth or unmet expectations could lead to a pullback. For now, AMD stock remains a focal point in the semiconductor market, with analysts and investors alike taking note of its impressive performance and future potential.